Here's how you can integrate Google Sheets with your automation software, or more specifically, make.com. So first thing you want to do is open up a new scenario and then add in your first module being Google Sheets. You will need to click Add and then name the webhook. I'll just call it my edit webhook. And then it'll give you this webhook here. You click Copy Address to Clipboard and then we'll head over to Google Sheets. So let's say you got a new spreadsheet, go Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons. Now I've already got it installed, but you would search for Make and then it would be here and then you can install it. And then once it's installed, you go Extensions and it should just be down the bottom here. You can click Settings. And then there's a webhook URL. Now sometimes this is a bit funny. Sometimes you have to log in on like an incognito browser with no other Google accounts logged in. But anyway, you paste your webhook URL and you can choose which sheet you can watch for. So for example here, if I go back to Make and click OK, the thing that we're doing is we're watching for any changes. But if I open up another module here, so all these ones that say Instant or Acid are essentially what that webhook from the Google Sheets is sending over. So if we go watch new rows or watch changes, so as soon as a change is made, you could trigger an automation, whether that's a staff member updating a column, whatever it is. So we jump back over here, sheet, let's just say we'll go with sheet 1. That's the sheet we want, and then the range is A1 to A10, for example. And then you click save, and then that's all done. Now, I'm not sure if that'll save just because I'm logged into other Google accounts, but like I said, if it's not working, just try an incognito browser, log in through there, and it should work. So that's how you integrate Google Sheets with make.com. If you found this useful and you're looking for more tips and tricks when it comes to Make, then like this video and feel free to give me a follow. Cheers.